Hey, to take screenshot in the Mozilla Firefox, you will have to actually use the sniping tool from your Windows. So how it works, you have to click on the start, click on the search and input sniping phrase. Then open sniping tool. And now to start capturing, click on this icon of this camera. Just be sure that it is selected and click on the new. Now let's say that I want to capture this part. So I have to click and hold with my left mouse button and then drag like this. There we go. As you can see now, I just easily capture this part of the screen. Right here, I can still edit this. I can still edit this simple screenshot. And if I want to save, I have to click right here. And now I can save it, for example, straight into my desktop. And it will actually appear just right here. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe.